Let me go across to a guest who's joining in. Mr. Sandip Agarwal from Edelweiss joins us on the phone line to make sense of the number, as well as Gaurang Shah is with us. First, coming to you, Sandeep, your first take on the numbers. On the top line, it looks okay, but margin is a bit of a problem area.
Thanks for taking me on the intro. So numbers look decent on revenue front to start with, but there is a small miss on EBIT. Uh, there is small miss on the EBIT, and I think we have to also see what are the internals of the attrition number because they look flattish. But remember that this is the quarter also where attrition generally trends lower, so we need to listen to the management. What is their commentary on that front? Uh, we will also like to have more details on the deal situation. While it is 1 billion, which looks exciting, how is the breakup of that deal is between enterprise and telecom, and within that, whether there is a jump because of one large deal or something. Because all those things will allow us to better analyze how will be the revenue and profit flows for next 1 year. So I would say prima facie numbers look in line, although there is some miss on margin, but order book and other things are looking robust. We would get much more details on the call, and based on that, we'll be able to give a complete view.
That's absolutely taken, Sandeep. We'll have to wait back to hear more commentary as to what transpired. But Gaurang, what's your first take on the numbers, and how do you see this changing the dynamics for the sector? In the sense, how do you look at Tech Mahindra versus the other companies? What's been your own recommendation? Are you looking more favorably towards the likes of TCS and Infosys versus Tech Mahindra?
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much for having me on the show. And let me say this: historically speaking, financial year wise, this quarter is always a little bit subdued for the IT sector. But having said that, I think the numbers look in line with what our estimates were. And as a disclosure, we do have a positive buy call on Tech Mahindra from a long term point of view. And my sense is that as we evolve in the current situation in terms of the new normal that we all of us live in, uh, IT services sector should definitely be in focus in terms of your portfolio allocation in terms of investment from a long term point of view. And numbers, barring one or two misses, I don't think there is anything serious to take concurrence of. And my sense is that over a longer period of time, IT sector should definitely be performing in terms of numbers quarter on quarter. And overall, my sense is that we should see some kind of domestic as well as overseas contribution coming in for the IT sector, which will help in terms of long-term investment.
Okay, Gaurang and Sandeep, will let you go on that note, and that's because the management of Tech Mahindra, Mr. CP Gurnani, is speaking and addressing the press. Let's cut across to that.